ready. Easy now, crane operator. Checks out at 0%. Proceed to the tail section.
Wanna throw away your enmity. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number. Take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other.
Increasing magnification on the turbine blade.
Precision is the standard here. Every component is meticulously calibrated. This is
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my
Precision is non-negotiable. Every component must meet zero-tolerance standards. Precision is non-negotiable here. Every composite layer must be flawless, ensuring absolute precision is non-negotiable in aerospace. Every rotor must be perfectly balanced. Laser precision is airworthy. Every cut defines safety.
Easy does it. Hold it right there. Aligning primary pins now. Upper matrix is secure. Moving to the lower row. Got
Precision is vital. Every layer must be flawless. This protects against extreme conditions.
Aligning the primary bracket now.
Lock it down to spec.
Harness Bravo is secure.
Precision is paramount. Every wire and display must be flawless.
Hold it right there. Let's lock it in. Lowering the mast assembly now. Hold it right there. Perfect alignment.
Every component must perfectly align. This is precision aerospace engineering. Restore.
Aligning station 2.
stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry.
From years of jungle abandonment to a pristine, professional restoration, this is a
Wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too.
Check the alignment on hub beta.
Hold you close,
Copy that, dead center.
find someone new. And now
All systems are green and ready for final flight check.